I want to show you this wild custom dual arcade stick that I created for a customer that works on PlayStation 1 and 2 using a custom circuit I built. In digital mode, the left joystick operates as the D-pad and the right joystick operates as the 4 face buttons. And in analog mode, the left joystick is the left analog stick and the right joystick is the right analog stick. But while you're in digital mode, you wouldn't have access to the D-pad normally, so I made a backup D-pad in the upper left-hand corner so you can still navigate menus or switch weapons or whatever you need to do. And the L and R 1, 2, and 3 buttons are tucked around the back corners. Face buttons are illuminated with LEDs. It looks awesome, but you can turn that off if you want to. And then also there's a toggle switch that lets you completely turn off those face buttons so you don't accidentally hit them and put accidental inputs while you're playing with the joysticks. But what you can also do is you can shift the functions of the buttons, like rotate them around a little bit so that they are easier to play like a platformer, where you sort of run and jump with your fingers, your index finger and your middle finger. So you can see here, it's like perfect for like a Mario game. But then really what this is about is the dual joysticks for perfect Robotron 2084. So here I'm playing the PlayStation version. And let's be real, this is a valuable custom joystick. So I built a custom wooden case to keep it perfectly secure while shipping, and great place to store it for the long term. If you wish that you had something like this, but customized specifically for you, you are in luck. Contact me at uniquejoysticks.com and let's make it happen.